Hey there, you are most welcome to this presentation. The question I pose to you is, how have you been adding fraction? Which method have you been using? Wow, in this presentation, I'm presenting to you the butterfly method of adding fractions. And endeavor to watch up to the end. And if you're not this channel, kindly subscribe, like the video and share. So we have part A up to part F. And we are going to have a step-by-step breakdown of how we can add fractions using the butterfly method. And it is the easiest method one can use. So for part A, we have 1 divided by 4 plus 2 divided by 3. So as we look at this, we have two fractions. They are quarter and then 2 out of 3. So for us to use the butterfly method, we have to consider two things. We have the major diagonal and then the minor diagonal. I can call this the major M and then this one the minor N. So as we have this, what we do, we get the entities in the major diagonal, we multiply them. So in here, simply, we are going to have the 1 multiplied by 3 into brackets. And since it is addition, we put the addition sign there. Then we do the same by getting the multiplication of the entities in the main diagonal. So we have 2 multiplied by 4. The whole of it being divided by. So in here, the next one, we get now the multiplication of the denominators. We have now 4 multiplied by 3. So as we simplify this, it means that we are getting 1 multiplied by 3 to give us the 3, then plus 2 multiplied by 4 to give us the 8. The whole of it divided by the 4 multiplied by 3. It gives 12. Then as we continue summing up the numerators, 3 plus 8, we are getting 11. Then divided by the 12. Implying that the answer to the expression, which is a quarter plus the 2 divided by 3 equals to this. Therefore, this becomes our correct answer for that case. Then let us go to part B. We have 2 divided by 3 plus 2 divided by 5. The same way, this as the major entities in the diagonal, major, and then this one in the minor diagonals, N. So we do the same. We multiply first multiply the entities in the major diagonal, and there we have the 2 multiplied by 5. Then the sign there is a plus, so we add. Then into brackets, we are multiplying the 3 by 2. 3 by 2. The whole of it being divided by, we get now the multiples of the denominators, which is now the 3 multiplied by 5. So this is giving us 2 multiplied by 5, this is 10, then plus 3 multiplied by 2, this is 6. The whole of it divided by 3 multiplied by 5, this is 15. So if I simplify, 10 plus 6, that is 16, then divided by 15. This is the same as having one whole number, 1 out of 15 in mixed number. Therefore, our expression, which is 2 divided by 3 plus the 2 divided by 5, gives the result to be that. And this becomes our correct answer for that case. Let's have part C and D. Then part E and F are for you to try out. So still the same. We are going to multiply the entities in the major diagonal. So we have now 4 multiplied by 3. Then the sign is addition. So plus the 3 multiplied by 5 into brackets. The whole of it divided by the multiples of the denominator. We have now 3 multiplied by 3. So this is giving us 4 multiplied by 3, that's 12. Then plus 3 multiplied by 5, that is 15. The whole of it being divided by a 9, as we are getting 3 multiplied by 3, a 9. So as we continue simplifying, 12 plus 15, this is 27 divided by the 9. And this is the same as having 3. Therefore, our expression, which is 4 divided by the 3 plus the 5 divided by 3 equals to the 3. So this becomes our correct answer for that case. Then lastly, part D. Still the same. We are getting the 1 multiplied by 5, then plus 4 multiplied by 3. The whole of it divided by the 4 multiplied by 5. So this is the same as having 5 plus the product here gives 12, then divided by the 4 multiplied by, which is 20. If I sum up the numerators, I'm having 17 divided by the 20. So our expression, which is a quarter plus the 3 out of 5, gives the result to be 17 out of 20. And this is the correct answer. Endeavor to subscribe to the channel. If this video has been of help to you, just like the video and share it. Don't forget to work out with these remaining 2 questions using the butterfly method and drop a comment in the comment section as the answer. See you again. Goodbye.